Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on Meta AI Instagram. So first you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. Go to Google Play Store if you're using Android, App Store if you're using iPhone, and then search for Instagram right here. Now you have to make sure that this one is the updated version. If you see a button that says update, what you're going to do is to click update. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then after you have updated it, you're gonna open Instagram. Now, once you have updated your Instagram application, because this one is a new feature, if you open or launch your Instagram and go to Instagram Messenger, you should see this Meta AI right here. But unfortunately, if you are like in my situation, if I tap this Messenger, Instagram Messenger right here, and I can see that Meta AI, or even if I go to the search bar and I can see that Meta AI, unfortunately, this means that it's not available in my account, probably in my country. So, to ask for a help and ask the Instagram team to help you with this issue, you can go to this three lines right here. And then you have to look for settings and privacy, or you can just simply report a problem. So tap this three lines, scroll down, click help, and then tap report a problem. Report problem without shaking. Include and continue. Then here briefly explain what is your main issue. So you can say, hello, can you please help me to turn on or make Meta AI available in my account? Please help me with this matter. And then you can upload or screenshot a proof right here that even if you updated your Instagram, you can still see the Meta AI. However, if they didn't reply, this only means that if you go to browser and then look for the available countries which this AI is available, then you can see the country or you can see your country right here. It means that it's not yet available in your country, and all you have to do is to wait till this Meta AI will be available in your country or region. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. If you want us to create or if you want another topic for our tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.